So 2 points got in this over, critical and economical pipeline. Last side of the this time, protected and not carried double. By 4 runs, 28 Among batsmen batting goes on, individual score 4 runs later. And 4 overs have been bowled. 28 lose the second wickets after 4 overs. Beginning 5 overs. Shamarchina into this plate taken up. What a lovely boundary, what a lovely batting, what a lovely timing, what a lovely runs, 36. The colors of second difference. Yes. And 20 must need to do things because house batting today opening the first game Fleming Power 136 runs for the loss of 4 wickets in the back 40 should get 1 run Hamilton single so 31 for 2. This is Hyperax is running onside center Shubhi Bhalas what a lovely timing what a lovely balance so bowlers very well technique high quality experience in the batting technique very well job 45 for 2 runs coming quickly. Whether cricket Indian, cricket side, Hanson is that Hanson does every batting job this time on the reservoir cricket ground. Very nice. Now tips on the strike. Looks away. Waiting now. Waiting for